Hey everybody, this is Chase with Trick Tools. Today I wanted to show you the Grit GI150 belt grinder by Fein with the pipe notching module. You may have seen some of our other videos on social media or our website with just the grinder. You may have even seen it with the centerless grinder attachment on the front of it. But today we're just going to focus on the pipe notching module, show you how it attaches, some of the features, and why this machine might be good for you. So the first thing I want to show you is how to attach the pipe notching module onto the GI150 grinder. I've already installed the 4 pegs here that slide into the notching module. I find it easiest to loosen up the base of it, which allows the grinder to pivot up and down. That way you can align the pegs into the holes onto the module itself. The tube notching module is on 4 swiveling casters, so it's super easy to wheel up to the machine and line up the 4 pegs into these holes here. All you have to do is slide this over and it'll lock on top of those pegs, and then just use these 2 handles to tighten it up. It'll be nice and center and true. So the notch size on this machine is dictated by these mandrels here. So the machine comes with an 1.25 inch pipe size. They're available from 3/4 inch OD up to 7 5/8 OD, and they can be easily installed by setting them in their groove, just tapping to make sure that they're centered. And then as safety, you have these 2 bolts here that can just be snugged up so it can't come out. So when you attach the notching module, it does take a different belt. This is a 6 inch by 88.5 inch belt. This is a 36 grit. They're really aggressive, super high quality. They're gonna last you a long time. If you do go over 6.5 inches on the mandrel side, it does take a little bit bigger of a belt, but it does attach just the same. All you have to do is slip it over the drive wheel and over the front mandrel, tension it, and you're good to go. So now I want to talk to you about some of the features and adjustments on this machine, starting with the vise here. So these jaws are going to be replaceable, and they can be spread apart if you're clamping around a bend area. And it also features a quick release on the vise itself, so it makes it super quick and easy, and you don't have to mess with your adjustment, and it's going to clamp the same every time. And down here is your gauge for the notch angle. So with this knob here, it can be easily pivoted out of the way up to 60 degrees on the notch angle. This vise was built onto a cross-feed table that'll give you the ability to center up the tube onto the belt or feed it across to make sure you're getting full use of the abrasive all the way across. Feeding the tube into the notcher is done with this lever here, and it also has a stop to make sure that you're getting the same depth of cut every single time. You also have the ability to move the mandrel vertically by loosening up this lever here. This gives you the ability to center up the notch or do offset notching. The machine comes with 2 different speeds. One is a slower speed for stainless steel. The other speeds the machine up for mild steel or standard pipes. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully we answered some questions for you and got to show you a little bit more about this machine. We do have videos on the grinder itself and the centerless grinder attachment. So if you have any more questions, you want to see specifications and things like that, feel free to check out the website, Trick-Tools.com, or give one of our guys a call and we'd be happy to help.